Okay, tell me about yourself.
My name is Avya Manchanda. I study in class 4B. My school name is Bal Bharti Public School. I live in Delhi. My
Okay,
favorite
that's okay.
hobbies
That's
are
enough. Okay, why do you go to school?
I go to school because I want to become a doctor, and become a doctor is a great opportunity to become, and I wanted to study a lot for that. That's it.
Fine. Okay, whom do you like most in your family?
I like my whole family because my family loves me a lot and they fulfill my all wishes and dreams.
Whom do you not like in your family?
There is no one in my family that I don't like because my family always support me and love me, and my cousins also play with me and I study with them, and I enjoy a lot with my family every day.
Okay, tell me one more thing, Avya. What do you
Yes.
think about your friends? What do you
Um,
think about your friends?
I think about my friend because
No, do you
that
think good or bad about your friends? What do you think about?
I think good about my friend because they support me in every situation or help me in studies, playing or anything else, and I think that they are my bestest friend ever.
Okay, very nice. Okay, one more question for you. Should I ask
Yes.
one more question?
Yes.
Tell me about your school and why do you go to school and how the school is and all.
My school is a big, and I like my school because there is a big playground that I play that I play, and I do craft art in my school. I take education, and my school teaches us to become everything you want and fulfill your dreams, please.
Okay, and do you think that your friends are not helpful to you or they are helpful to you?
My friends are very, very helpful to me. They sit in lunch with me, they make jokes with me, and I like them because they are so supportive with me.
Okay, are you happy with your life or not? Or you want something else or you are happy?
Um, I'm happy with my life, but I wanted my dream is to be.
Wanted or want? You want
Uh,
your dreams.
I wanted to become a big
You
doctor.
wanted or you want to become? You
You
want to be.
want
You want to become. Yes.
I want to become a big doctor or a actor because I want to be popular in the India, and everyone and my family feel proud on me. That
Okay, do you think that India is a good country? You live in India and you must love your country. And do you think you love your country?
I love my nation and India because the Prime Minister of India do everything we to poor people. They fill their stomach and give them money to uh, build their homes or fulfill their dreams.
Okay, one more thing. How do you pass your time?
I pass my time with my studies, watching TV, drawings, and playing with my cousins or going outside.
Okay, one more question. What do you do when you get bored?
I play with my cousins or do drawing. I do my studies or watch some TV, and, and go outside to play with my
Speak
friends.
a bit louder, I think so.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you
Okay.
do all these things.
Okay.
Okay, do you sometimes fight with your friends?
Not too much sometimes because sometimes they don't listen my talk, or we uh, we get confused what should we play, or we play something in which that we fight sometimes.
By the way, who wins the fight?
Um,
Who wins the fight?
um, no one wins the fight because everyone I stop everyone to fight
Very nice.
because because that's way they will fight, and they don't play, and the time will finish and we get home and we get bored again
Again,
at
yes.
home.
Okay, tell me one thing more. What did you do yesterday? Give me 2 to 3 line answer.
I didn't do special, but today was my special day in school because there are only one study period and our class teacher was absent. We enjoyed a lot. There was our PT period. We played and the girls team won the game and boys lose the game and they feel shame or embarrassed on them.
Nice. And do you think teachers are very cooperative, or they sometimes scold you for no reason, or they are sometimes able to understand your feelings? What do you think about a teacher? I want to just know, you are in a private school, teachers are good or not, whatever.
My class teacher is very competitive and don't scold us without any reason when any child do mistake, silly mistake or without any reason. So ma'am sometimes only scold them because they some one child is there in my class. They fight a lot with the children. So my class teacher scold them, and my class teacher teaches us very sweetly, and she doesn't scold us. I in P on Saturday 4 October there was my PTM and my teacher talked sweetly with my father and I loved that talk.
Should I ask one more personal question about your family? Should I ask?
Yes.
Okay, I know something about your mother. Tell me something about your father. I don't know about your father, how he is, what kind of person he is, and you must have heard that daughters are very close to their fathers.
Yes.
So is the case with you also regarding your father. Your father is how?
My father is very competitive and very sweet with our family, and she fulfill my all dreams or wishes. He sorry
It
sorry
will do.
he takes our family everywhere that we want. And on my birthday, my family plans. Anyone birthday, my family plans a surprise or a grateful birthday party.
Okay. Overall, your father is also very sweet.
Yes, he
Uh,
is very sweet.
it's okay, it
Uh,
happens. Should I ask, like, means, who is, which is sweeter, your father or your mother, or both are? Uh, I think sometimes what I feel when I see your mother, it seems to me that your mother is strict.
Not
On
too. She's little bit strict and not too much. When I do a silly mistake or I do nothing, I do nothing or I help her every day in putting utensils or doing put cover on sofas, and I help her to fold clothes or something else. She always loves me, and my father is um, busy man, and he always go outside to work, and in afternoon he comes to lunch, and that sometimes he come late at night like 10 o'clock or after 9, and he always play with me and my cousins or my sibling.
Okay, what do you think about CEC? Do you like coming here, and do you think that you learned lots of things from here, or the way sir teaches, you are happy with that or not?
I love to come CC because the teacher of CC, like Vinod sir, is so sweet with us and he teaches us very well. And I take education and improve my dictionary from CC. That I love to come to CC.
What do you love doing here most? Means there are lots of sessions here, like there is question session, there is writing session, speaking session. Which one do you like?
I would like to do I like to do writing session or question session because I like to talk and give the answer of questions, and I like to write because I wanted to do writing and I love to write fast, and I wanted to.
Why do you wanted always?
Uh,
I want to.
I want that sir says in Hindi and we should write in English. That I like to do.
Have you learned lots of films from CEC?
Yes, I learned lots of. First, I was on subjects, and now I am on about to, and I am very thankful to sir that I am on. I take very well education from CC, and I love to come CC. In rainy season, I also come to see CEC.
थैंक यू आवर इट वॉज वेरी नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू. आपने बहुत अच्छी बात की और आपने बहुत अच्छे एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किए. आई एम हैप्पी विद यू. आई होप सो दैट यू आर ऑल्सो हैप्पी विद अस.
Yes.
थैंक यू वेरी मच आव्या.
Thank you, sir.